Hi everyone, welcome back to Essy Cooks. In this video, we're gonna make a super simple, super healthy meal prep that tastes amazing. We ate this already for like 3 weeks in a row and I cannot wait to eat it again and again. So this has soba noodles and it has edamame. So we've got lots of protein and fiber in there as well. It's plant-based, it's vegetarian, it's easy, it's healthy, it's so delicious. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you how to make this. Now check out these soba noodles. With soba noodles, they are a lot healthier than just regular wheat noodles. We've got extra protein and fiber in them, and a lot of them end up being gluten-free. So first we are going to cook our edamame and our soba noodles according to the package instructions. So you can see I've got the recipe up there, which is going to be for 4 servings. I'm actually doubling the batch here today. Now we're going to get a large cucumber, so 1 cucumber per 4 servings. You can cut that up however you like. You can just dice it up, or you can cut it into half moons. And my husband's doing a little taste test. We just cut them into half moons. Now here is the sauce. Just like an Asian sauce with soy sauce, and I think this one had brown sugar and honey and sesame oil and rice vinegar. So if you want a recipe on how you can make your own, I actually ended up making my own because I ran out of this after 2 weeks and it tasted really similar. So if you want the recipe for that, just let me know. I'll just put that in the comments below. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of dressing per jar. So we're going to just throw these meal preps right into a mason jar to make it nice and simple. The noodles cooked in like 3 to 4 minutes. It was honestly so fast. Now, since we're going to be eating these as a cold noodle salad, you want to rinse those noodles really thoroughly in cold water to stop the cooking process and to make sure that they don't get all like stuck together. So make sure that you do that. We're going to rinse off those edamame now that they're cooked, and all I have to do is start assembling. So you want the edamame to go right on top of the dressing. They start absorbing the flavor, and over the week, these meal preps honestly just get better and better. Then we're going to add the soba noodles, which are nice cooled because we rinsed them in that cold water, and then we're going to add our chopped cucumbers, we're going to add some green onions, and we're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. If you want extra veggies, grated cabbage is also delicious in this. I have added some cabbage to it, or even some sprouts, like broccoli sprouts were super good, bean sprouts are super good. Anything you want to add to it, you absolutely can, but the most important thing I think for me that I add is a little bit of chili crisp oil. I mean, yum, look how good that is with the chili crisp oil. These noodles are so good. I'm just going to be eating these again and again, especially during the warm months like summer. So nice to have an easy meal prep. You don't have to turn on the oven or anything like that. So I hope you loved this video. If you want to see more healthy meal prep videos like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.